Just give me like few minutes. Today is the last day to activate this account, so I'm doing that. Then we're gonna start discussing about the market and where we are and all that good stuff. So far, it was a good New York session. We took the buys and boom, it never dropped. So just give me like 2-3 minutes. Let everybody come in. Then we're gonna start discussing about the market. Okay? I think I need to change the track. Yeah, I think that was too much. Everybody here? Or are we still waiting for more people? Because then once I start doing all the talking, then they're gonna ask, should we buy or sell? Evening, brother. Evening, Wajid. How are you, brother? How you doing? How you doing? Yes, sir. We're here, Baller, after a long time. Good morning, guys. Dan, good morning. Um, how are you? We are also live on the YouTube chat. Can you hear me now without any issue? So, how was your Asian session, guys? Uh-oh, we have troublemaker. How you doing? Mm. I thought you stopped cooking. Yesterday you said no more cooking. You're done with cooking. What? Okay, we all coming right now on our way. Yeah. Hey, yeah. Hey Maria Wassalam, how are you? Subab Al Khair. Subab Al Khair. Yeah, we're ranging and the price looks like still trying to push up. Yeah, yeah. 300, 350 ticks. That's it. That's what we need. Hey Reese, what's up? Oh, the push is coming. What's the play of the goal? Just read. Okay, good man. Now get some rest. Z. What's the play on the goal? Just give me few minutes. Okay, then we're gonna start discussing about the markets. Hi, how's it going? K. Good. Everything is doing good. Okay, I'll pray and come back. Yeah. Yeah, we're not getting into any entry right now. I'm still gonna wait. So, yeah, take your time. Okay, another push is coming. Two more minutes, guys. You know, when you with the Apex, like if you have 20 accounts, you need to activate them one by one. And today is the last day for their activation, the lifetime one. So that's what I'm doing. Two more to go. Okay, all right. One more to go. And anybody already in the buys? Are you guys waiting for my signal? Good morning, brother. Would you consider daily trend line breakout? Daily trend line. Hmm. Hmm. I don't use trend line, but yeah, if you see something there, yeah, definitely, why not? Mm, mm. Minimum balance 50 daily loss limit. Huh? Oh, even on the intraday, they have daily loss limit. What is this, Apex? Come on. Come on. You know, that's why I choose the intraday one. So I don't have to deal with the daily loss limit because I see on the end of the drawdown, they have the daily loss limit. And now when I activate all of my 20 accounts, now they're saying there's daily loss limit of 1000. And after I get 1500, okay, so right now I can only open 20 micros on each account. And after I achieve 1500, then they're gonna open 30 micros, but the daily loss limit is still 1000. Hmm. Mhm. Yeah, that's why I don't recommend Apex for new people because their rules are very weird. I thought the daily loss limit is only for the end of day drawdown, but now it's intraday as well. Oh well, what can we do now? first kind of reversal on the daily. Okay, and now I'm done with that, so we can start focusing on the charts. Okay. But again, if you have intraday drawdown plus you have daily loss limit, it's like a it's not a suitable condition for a trader though. Electron day and night speech. What's up, everyone? Hey, just stream, just stream, 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 stream. What's up, man? Welcome. Okay, so price is pushing up now. What we need to do here, we need to get into close our eyes and we need to get into the buys. I think that's what we need to do here now. So close your eyes, take the buys and buy buys. Increase, yes. Yes, increase. Increase, increase, increase. But before increase, can we see another retracement towards downside? Because since the market open, it's been keep continue pushing it up. I want to see something, you know. Um, a small decrease and then increase, you know. Yes, take buys, yes. Price is proper bullish since late New York. Yes, Mr. TRK. And we took those buys. This 30 is about to close in 12 minutes. So let's wait for the next 30. Gonna create some lower wick because this 15 have no lower wick as well. Okay, it will come down. I mean, if you want to get into the FOMO and then get into the buys and all that, it's up to you. But I would like to wait before I want to get into those buys. And yeah, guys, we also hey, good morning, Spark. How are you? We're also live on the YouTube, right? If you want to see the full screen instead of just this small part, you can go visit there. Okay. The internet last night and maintenance. Okay, end my session. Yeah. Man, get the Starlink now. Enough with your internet. Guys, tap tap. Yes, here we go. Tap tap. K tap tap. K really likes tap tap. Mhm. I'm not saying tap tap. Now it's your job, guys. If you want to get into the good trades, you want to tap the live. Team A, what's up? Up 1500. Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now Gin Tonic is here, guys. We have nothing to worry about. Gin Tonic is here. He's gonna start tap the screen. He's gonna accidentally join the live and then he's gonna oops. So nothing to worry about. Okay. The only reason I'm not getting into these buys right now, if you're on the YouTube, you'll probably see it. On the left side, there's like some wicks here, okay? These are some big rejections at that time. But let's see, because the price since yesterday, it's very, very bullish. Even in Asian session, we see that 1000 in Discord, New York session 2. Okay, team is banking. Team is banking. Good, man. Good. Very nice. TP 130. Patience. All you need some patience to make money in the market. There is no rocket science, guys. All you need to do, have some patience, have some trust on your strategy. That's it. Market will give you money. It will take money from impatient to the patient people. That's it. That's how easy and simple it is. But we make it so much complicated by adding all these random things on the chart and talk, because we like a little complicated things, right? Whenever we see simple things, we're like, it's not gonna work. Maybe we need to add 10 different indicators, all these EMAs, BMAs, DMAs, and then we're also gonna add some boards in the charts, right? And now I'm successful. So that's the biggest issue what I see people, why they didn't make in the trading. And then after a few short months, they're like, I'm quitting. I don't like this. It's bad. It's this. It's not for me. Why? Because you never make it simple for you. That's why. Can you show the prices, please? Yes, it's on the chart. What you mean? We can't see on TikTok. Well, it's time for you to move to YouTube now. I'll make you mod over there as well. Okay, good evening, guys. Good evening, Mr. King Milan. Good evening. Yes, so you can see the price. Let me. Can you see it now? Better. Okay, just 4K. Just 4K. because if anybody else asks, you you already know my response. Okay, 30 is about to close in 4 minutes. Our still need time for our pushing up. Daily is also pushing it up without giving a nice lower weight. So is it gonna reject? There is high possibility. Why? Again, left side rejections, rejections, and rejection. So what we're gonna do here? We're gonna do some waiting. That's it. That's all we need to do here. We're gonna wait. We're gonna see. We're gonna observe the price when once we get our confirmation everything, then we're going to get into the buy. So for example, if this hourly give a closure above here with this some nice topic and the next one starts dropping, and on the flip of that one, that's going to be a good bias towards upside, because right now if you get in, there's high chances that the price reject it and starts pushing down with this, create a big wick, a rejection wick. It can still push up, but that's a risky one. So that's like 50-50%. So you need to choose whatever suitable for you, right? I prefer to wait for my reject. What? No, not till 4110. Okay, okay, it's green light. Trucker trader, let's go, Habibi, Habibi. It's green light, yes. It's been green light since yesterday. We know. Watch it crash just before my TP? Yes, definitely. We're gonna witness this. Where are your buys from, Spark? Yeah, if we have clean range on the left, I would definitely close my eyes and get into the buys. The only thing are these wicks. These are the main issue where I'm I'm not comfortable getting into the buys now. Okay, even though if it wanna go up and we'll need to take the buy, I wanna see a one rejection, something like this, and then after that the price slowly starts pushing it up. That would give a nice signal for pushing it upside. But before that, if you wanna take it, you can, because if you know, I'm very choosy about my trades. And I like to wait, I like to see, I like to observe, right? Even after that, it can still hit my SL, but that's fine. But if you are in urgency, if you want to pass your eval in one go and all that, you're like, oh, it's going up without me, let me get in. And very next moment, you're gonna see it starts pushing down. How many times it happens? Price really push. Wow, yeah. Let's wait for 30 week. Hmm. Yeah, 30, new 30 just open. So yes. And it starts continuing pushing it upside. So, and once you starts coming here, you're gonna see one thing, or at least learn one thing, which is no FOMO. You're gonna see so many time like we're on the live price push up like 100, 200, sometimes 300 ticks, right? And we're sitting here chilling, we're laughing, we're talking here and there. Why? Because we exactly know what's happening and what we're looking for and what we need to wait for. If it push up, okay, so what? Now tell me, today is the last day of trading in the world. There is no tomorrow, there's no new session, there's no new trade. So relax. Okay, you see now it so people who get into the FOMO for looking for those buys right here, oh, it's going up without me. 70 ticks, 80 ticks, a big drop, right? So you need to be careful about these. And hourly, if this hourly close something like this, now the people who already took the buys here, what's going to happen with them, right? So don't worry, prices going nowhere. If it continue pushing it up, it's fine. We're going to still find a good setup. Okay, so relax, have some patience, have some patience. DJ AFX in the house. Nice rejection. I hope nobody took those buys. Gin tonic, you too. That's for you. And again, the buys are still valid. If it gives a closure above, and then we're gonna look for some buys. Before that, we still need to wait. Definitely not, yeah. Finally, you start learning something, man. Hello, Ursula. Knew you from Dennis Discord way back. Mr. Jibra. Okay. Abdullah. Jibral Abdullah. Welcome, man. Welcome. Yeah. Mr. Jibral, we have a free Discord as well here. The link is in the bio. You can join that. Okay. Wow. Wow. King Million. Wow. See that, Roy? Few seconds ago, King Million, you were saying, oh, it's pushing up. Now you're saying, wow, it's dropping. No FOMO. I'm telling you, once you eliminate the FOMO thing out from you, like, oh, it's pushing up without me and all that, man, you're gonna be feel so much comfortable with the market. You're gonna feel so much confident in you because you know exactly what you're looking for, Knowledge is the king. Yeah, knowledge plus I would say experience is also the king. And patience, especially if you're trading. Okay, 15. Yeah, pushing down heavy. 30, the same thing. Hourly, yeah, rejection again. Rejection at the previously, rejection from here. Sit tight, guys, sit tight. Retracement, bro, yeah. I'm gonna pass my phase two tonight. Okay, Mr. Easy. Good luck. How are you doing, brother Asif? How are you, man? How are you? Yeah, guys, new people who are joining the live, we have free Discord. Make sure you join that and make sure you follow. Okay. Now, price almost touched that zone, right? So, what we're waiting for? What are we waiting for now? You have Telegram now. Only Discord. Going for volleyball. Okay, Mr. Asif. Yeah, full focus on fitness. You share signals? No. No signals. You're in the wrong life, my friend. Just told you do that. No. 30 minutes about to flip. Yeah, 30 minutes about to flip. Who is interested in getting into this 30 flip? Place your stops here. Looking for some buy entry right there. Who? Anybody? Or no? Anybody interesting in this 15 flip? Once this 15 flip, we can look for some buys entries, okay? 130 as well. 30 and 15. If they did not flip, and for example, this hourly give a closure above, then we need to wait for the next hourly. That's the plan. Listen to him, guys, if you want to make money. Money, money, money. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. let's make some money on the flip of this 30. If it didn't flip, then we need to wait for the next hourly closure, which is around what, like next 20 minutes, 19 minutes. If it's always right, no, not always. Not always. We still hit the SLs. Okay. Then wait for the 4 hour. The 4 hour still needs 1 hour 18 minutes, so that's going to be too much wait. If it didn't flip, then yeah, we move to the 1 hour. If we still didn't see anything on the hourly, then you can talk about the 4 hour swap. 90% I think yes. For our closing in 16-minute pause, no, FX clear for our closing in 1 hour and 16 minutes. You're probably using a different broker, so that's why you see that. Or maybe you live 1 hour ahead of me. Maybe somewhere you see the future price of gold. You probably can help us, by telling us the future, where's the gold price is moving in next hour. Guys, where are the heart me's? If you didn't send it now. 1 hour 16 minutes, yeah. Balubashi, Balubashi, Balubashi. Sub Balubashi. What? You love me? Is it mean I love you? Future price, yeah, mind closes into yeah. Balobashi, ah. So so Schwab is basically proposing K. Oh, okay. There's some spicy talk going on in the chat, guys. There's some balubashis going on in the chat. No, Shweb, you know everything. Don't be like, I didn't know that. Who is proposing? Rio. So always the matchmaker, yes. Bala Asonia. I only follow. No, 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 Shweb. Now we caught you red-handed. रंगे हाथों पकड़ा गया Shweb. You in? No. If you can't read on the screen, man, I don't know what you're doing. Can eagle eyes everywhere, exactly. Now, Shoaib, you can't change it. You Balu Pashi K, so now it's saved here now. Balu Pashi FX. Yeah, everybody balubashi me. That's different. Okay, 30. It didn't look like it's gonna flip same the 15. Now we need to wait for this hourly. Okay, hourly give a closure above this. The buys are still valid even with the better entry. How? Let's say if this give a closure something like this, the next one gonna come down, gonna create some lower wick, and then on the flip of that we can get on the buy side. Okay, but if you wanna get in, don't wait for me because I like to wait for some confirmations to get on the trade. Okay, if you wanna get on, enjoy your buys or sells. IFX Lime, how many times you're gonna say hi? How many times? Hey, break in. I said hi to. No, you don't. I never see your hi. And where have you been, brother? Long time no see. We need break in the blocker in the chat for sure. We need break in to block everybody. We should get some premium members on the call. I mean, yeah, they're welcome. If they have any questions they want to get on, there's no restriction for them. Plus, we do call on the New York session. Where's Kitty? She'll come back. She's right now eating dinner and drinking some prosecco. Okay, at the last moment, this 30 about to flip. Now 10 more minutes. This hourly close. I'm gonna wait for that. Islam, brother, what Islam? 30 flipping? No. What's your TP? My TP is to the moon. Trade at your own risk. Exactly. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2 to 1. Trade at your own risk. 7 more minutes. In 6 minutes, when the new hourly open, is it gonna sudden push up? Let's see. Eligible for payout at the end of the day. Okay, congrats, man. Here we go. Here we go. Coca, 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 Coca. Yeah, pump it up. That's what we need, guys. Pump it up. We will increase today. Yes, sir. Let's see. Gold is going to the moon. You know how I know everyone on Twitter is calling for crash? What? Why? Why they calling for the crash? Angry candle incoming. Okay, let's see. Now this is the time where it will push up or down. What's the quantum indicator saying? What's the quantum indicator saying? Let me double check. It's saying full pot buy. It clearly saying go full pot buy. uh, I'm gonna start pushing up very soon and gonna break around current highs, and then maybe around 4112 and 4124. That's the levels what it's showing me right now on quantum. And and 20 seconds. Get ready for DJFX. No rejection, only pump, full pump. Only pump. Yeah, yeah. Thank you, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Apex, are you even in? Yeah. That's all you need. 100 takes. That's it. That's it. That's it. मजा आया फिर? Guys, did you have fun? Third payout incoming. Okay, Rick, let's go, man. And four counts going to pass tomorrow. But I see you leave the premium. Mmm. Now I think this is the move for the session, guys. 4-1-2-4 was our target. Almost it hits. You need to take partials, let it one run. It might keep continue push up. Who knows, right? But overall, yes, the bullish momentum, good trade, good waiting. Didn't get into the FOMO and all that. So I missed the entry. No worries. Hello, hello. We are on break even. Okay, Maria, let's go. Should we dance also? Yes, King, dance, man. I didn't get the notification for the payment. Okay. Can I open new entry? Mr. 367. It's up to you, man. Why are you asking me? Check Discord. Uh, mm, so Tessa, it's still pushing up. I don't get your comment. Like it's still pushing up, right? Even if somebody get into the late entry, the price is still pushing up. I can't even trade end my session tomorrow. Okay. I'm all the way up. I'm all the way up. Now, it hit your TP. It hit your target. How many of you thinking that now it hit it, now it will fall? Let's take some sell. How many of you? Continue bullish like early February war. Is it's on peak? Okay. I made close 1500 tonight. If I trade tomorrow morning, it will push my profit. Yeah, you don't have to, man. Use common sense. You don't have to. It's at my entry by one tick. Okay, Jose, Jose. Yeah. What's the yellow arrow there for? Nothing. It's just sitting there. It likes. I likes to see some arrows. That's why. How low do you think it will retrace? At least 50-60% or maybe more from this push. So maybe where is your current entry? Right here, right? 4102. You can expect that. So yeah, Spark, you were right about the Twitter, right? About the X. This is how we know when it starts pushing up, when everybody start talking about the crash. So that's a good indicator. That was an amazing push up, yeah, Tony. W's, yes, Mark. W's, W's, W's. But I don't see any W's, Mark. Only you said W's. These people, yeah, they don't care. Good day, sir. After a long time, I was not there. Hope you're well. Yes, Farhan, I am well. How are you? 4107 retest on 5 minutes. Okay. Back in premium. Okay, okay. Good. Welcome back. Thank you for everything you do for us. All Big W learning so much. KMD. You're welcome, man. You're welcome. When it's about complaining, they're first. Exactly, Mark. Exactly. That's why I don't care if they start yapping. King Milan missed again. You've been missing a lot of things. Good night. Good night. Good night. Now let's little bit relax now. We've been hyped for a while. Resmash it. Press. Guys, come to VIP. We get these moves in NY every day. Imran, why you telling them secret? Why you telling them? They don't want to be profitable. They just want to keep blowing their accounts until you blow all their money. Asia has better moves than NY these days. Yeah. Want them all to make money. Yes. But they don't want to make money. You know, people who don't want to help themselves, nobody can help them. Nobody able to help them. If they don't want to progress in their life, they don't want to think straight, if they don't want to become a better person, no one. Now I have confidence for your VIP. You are fine. Okay, Mr. Side Zero. Thank you for your confidence. Guys, we've been doing this, I don't know for how long. Every single day, same time, same session, same stretches. I don't know how many times we have to prove this. Next TP to the moon. Hey, hey, what's up? Mm. Yeah, right now, yeah, you get the max payouts. I mean, max funded accounts. Okay,
And then my direct funded is 50K. But the price for the premium is definitely worth it. I've made that money back 18 times already.
yeah, you can literally make in one trade. If you think like that, you
Yeah.
can
I'm
literally
talking
make
about
in.
like as far as actual payouts, the money that I paid for the premium, I
Mm-hmm.
made that back 18 times.
Yeah.
No, I'm sorry, 27 times. My math was off. This would be the third payout, so that'd be 5,400. I
Yeah.
mean, VIP is 197,
Mm-hmm.
worth it every month.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But people, they don't understand yet. Once they like to blow all their money, try to pass the evals and all that, and then once they have no money, they're out of the money. Then they start thinking, let invest in ourselves. Let get this because this is like once you get this skill, like for example, you Rick, right? When you start with us, like you have little bit idea now, you you are more confident in your trading. I mean, you you still have the capability to trade alone, right? You are, I think that you're at that point where if you want to take trades, you can still take trades by yourself. So people don't realize this, like you need to invest little bit money on yourself, on that knowledge. Once you learn this skill, then you will be self independent, and then you start taking trades by your own. But
Yeah,
they
definitely.
yeah, because they come with the wrong mindset. They're like, okay, I need to get the signals, I just need to copy paste and all that, and they just keep hopping around with the other lives and other signal groups and all that, and they just keep staying at the same stage. So yeah, it's tough for them.
Yeah, they don't understand why you tell them to wait for the flip, and because they see it pushing up, like oh, I'm gonna get in now, and then you get in, and it's happened to me plenty of times. I get in as soon as I do, that thing start going the other way.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes,
But
sir.
once you learn that, understand it, you're good to go.
Mm-hmm. Patience, patience. These people, because they see all the other streamers, and I see them like they don't have patience, like they, because they trade in 1 minute, 5 minutes, and the price fluctuate too much in the lower time frame, and they want to get into every entry. They want to get the buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, and after a short amount of time, they blow their accounts, and they keep
Yeah,
repeating the same thing. So these new traders, like I see so many now, new traders like coming in our community. Like some started like few weeks ago, few months ago, like, and I think it's very good for them because now they have like a little professional environment, like a more like calm, like more like patient I'm switching them from lower time frame to higher time frame to watch for. But the people who stay in the lower time frame, yes, you're gonna find so many trade, uh, but you're also gonna blow so much money. All you need is one good trade per session. That's it. You can literally change your life with that. But these people, no, they wanna get all these short dopamine hits all day round and stuck at the same place.
Yeah, doing that buy sell stuff is a good way to be in the $1,500 drawdown.
Yeah.
I know that from experience.
Hmm.
But I'm on my 11th day of just straight wins, no red. The only reason it's not 12 is because Monday I was traveling back to the U.S. Well, Sunday evening I was traveling back to the U.S. I didn't get back home. It's like 12 in the afternoon on Monday, so I couldn't trade that day.
Cool. So you already up 50% of the rule, right? The consistency one. So
On my
yeah,
on my evals.
yeah.
Oh, on two of my evals, I need like $12 more, and the other two I need $112.
Yeah, leave them alone, man. Leave them
Oh yeah,
alone.
all five of my accounts already locked out
Yeah,
for the rest of the trading day.
yeah. Now you see, this is what I mean. Like you started with one. Now you start getting the payouts consistently. It will literally change your whole perspective how you can leverage this profile, right? You can either start copy trading them or you can rotate them. Rotate means like, okay, let me trade this account. Okay, I'm up for 500, 1000 in this. Okay, let me lock out this account, switch to the other one, switch to the other one. And then this is how you make base hits or like the big hits, right? You can also do the copy trading if you want to do over level. But once you get the fully funded with the lucid, then I would say, okay, move to the top step, move to the Tradeify or Apex or try something else. But
I
before
was
that,
looking at Tradeify. I like that one. It's very similar to Lucid, if not exactly the same. So once I get another payout on all five of these accounts, I'm gonna go ahead and get five accounts with Tradeify.
yeah,
I'm just go ahead and buy five of them straight out.
yeah, it's they have the same. I think the Tradeify select account they have the um same rules. Top step is the same. Apex is little different. It's complicated, right? So
Yeah, I was looking at Apex. I mean, I might get an Apex, but that'll be later on. I'm gonna kind of try to stick to ones that's very similar to Lucid.
yeah, yeah, no, Tradeify and Top Step, yeah, first go with them and then try Apex. Because like I get the intraday one, the Apex, because their end of day one have the daily loss limit. So if you get the 50K account, you have the $2,000 drawdown, but they have the 1000 daily loss limit with the Apex, right? Even till
Yeah,
the end of day. So I get the intraday one to think, okay, like I don't like, because I hate daily loss limit. Like why I'm like uh having that, right? So I pass the intraday now, and now when I pass to the eval, I mean the funded one. Now I can see 1000 drawdown limit. I was like, oh man,
yeah. I don't
wasted.
like the daily loss limit.
Yeah,
If I had a daily loss limit on my evals, would have been a couple of times I would have been cooked up for the day.
yeah, it is. Yep. Plus the
Yeah,
intraday drawdown, it's tough. Yeah, I thought intraday is super risky. Yes, gin tonic it is. It is super risky though. You need to be very very careful with that.
yeah. Once I get funded on these four evals, I'm gonna do like 100 ticks, hit TP. I'm done.
Yeah.
I know it ain't. I know there's not a consistency rule on them once it's funded, but 100 ticks with how much I trade with, that's good for the day. I don't make that much in a day, so
Mm-hmm. Yep. Exactly, especially for the beginners. Yes, gin tonic. Yeah, first start with the Lucid because they have the reasonable price and the reasonable rules. Then I would say go to the Tradify, Top Step, all these other firms. Like you're gonna find so many firms. All you need is pick and choose one or two, or maybe three. That's it. Once you get the fully fund it with them, max fund it with them, then go to somewhere else. Because people, they just keep switching here, there, here, there, here, there. If you find a good deal, let's say some pro firms having 50% off, 60% off, something like that, then yeah, you can switch here and there. But yep. So yeah, man, I'm happy for you. Congratulations, man. You start
Thank you.
making money, and that's why everybody's here, right? So some people, it take them a little bit longer. Some people start making early. So yeah, well done, my friend. Good job.
Appreciate that.
So yeah, tomorrow you said you won't be able to make it up for the New York session.
No, I won't. I mean, if I trade on the New York, if I trade New York session, then I'll make more than that 50% of my consistency for
Yeah,
my evals.
yeah.
So I made what, like 14.
And
What was it?
on your funded account.
On my funded, I only need on my funded. I needed $144,
Mm,
and I set my TP for like 180.
mm-hmm.
So
Okay.
I got 168 out of that, and then that so
Okay.
I made 1484 on my evals.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not gonna try to get $12 more to make 1500
Mm-hmm.
or $16 more.
Cool, man. Cool.
I'll make the rest of it tomorrow in Asia,
Mm-hmm.
and then I'll trade New York the next day.
Yep. Yeah. Sounds like a good plan. If price still, you see here, it didn't drop. I mean, it tried to give a little bit retracement, but it's still stuck there. So it means the buyers are still in the market and they can still push the price towards the upside. It might be 4142 or 4160s, all the zones we have towards the upside. So yeah,
I'm about
tomorrow
to
I
call it a
will.
night, get some
Yep.
sleep,
Yep.
wake up refreshed in the morning, and
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Just take it easy. Now you know
eat.
the process. Just repeat it. You don't have to do anything differently, right? You're passing the evals, you start taking the payouts. Just do the same thing. Because most people, when they get funded or they get max funded, now they're like, oh, what I need to do now? Do I go full board? Do I do like, do I need to change anything? No, just keep the same pace, what you're doing right now. Full
I'm gonna go
board.
ahead and draft up my letter of resignation while I'm sitting at work tomorrow.
No, 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 don't do that.
Thinking about all my future dreams.
Yeah. Just keep stacking the money. Just keep stacking the
Yeah,
money.
definitely.
Yeah.
I got some stuff I gotta pay off.
Mm-hmm.
Then once I pay this stuff off, save up a little, then I can
Yeah.
write the letter.
Yeah. It will help you. Yeah. Definitely. Good job. Good job. Yeah. Take some rest.
Yeah, but good luck to all of y'all tonight. If y'all still trading, if you already made profit, lock out your accounts, go to sleep, go have dinner, do something else.
This is one of our VIP guys. This is not a paid advertisement here. Full port base. Yes, team. Full port base. Well, the move for the session, I would say it's done. Okay. If you still want to do something, well, it's up to you. 230 ticks, it's more than enough for you guys. But don't worry, we're gonna catch the same thing tomorrow in the New York session. So yeah, that's why I say, man, you're never gonna miss anything. Let's say if you miss this whole move, it's absolutely fine. Why? Because we know we're gonna come back in the next session, in London session, in New York session, or maybe tomorrow in the Asian session, and we're gonna catch the same exact move over and over again. That's why I say focus on to build the system where you can do the same thing in the different sessions, in the next sessions, and next session, and next session. Gin tonic, why are your? Is this an owl? Trying not to have the FOMO problem. Trying not to. Why you trying not to? Why you have to tell yourself, man, enough is enough. I'm not gonna get into the FOMO. I know if the price is pushing up. So gin tonic, what's the issue? So what's once you force yourself to take only one good setup per session, that's the profit starts kicking in. Exactly, Imran. That's what I'm trying to explain. All these people, they never understand this. They're like, okay, we need to get in, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, all over to get these trades. Anyways, so so what's the issue with you, gin tonic, is FOMO, right? And why is FOMO kicking in? Because you are fear of missing out. And why is that? Because you're telling yourself that I might not able to catch the same move again. If you have a strong grip on your strategy and you realize, okay, if I miss this move, I can come back later, or maybe I need to wait next 30, 40, 50 minutes, and then I get back in, right? And then I'm able to catch the same move. All I have to do is wait, then the FOMO thing automatically eliminate from you. So it's continuing up. So I have faith. See, so you have the faith in me. I want you to faith in yourself, right? And how that, hey, yes, sir, Mr. Jatins, what happened? Hmm. Okay. Hmm. No, it's not painful. It's fine, man. It's fine. Price push up like from here, like at least 200 to 50 ticks. That's why I say don't get into the buys. Price is still too bullish for the sell side, and it's gonna keep, maybe like, if it starts rejecting, you can look for the retracement and then get back on for the buy side, because I think you can also trade the London session as well, right? Yeah, so every session comes with one good move. So this was, I would say, the move for the Asian session. So that's happened, right? So this is done. Now you can't do anything. Don't get into the FOMO, oh, I missed this. Now I'm gonna buy or sell or whatever. You can either wait for the New York session to trade with us, or you can look for some setup maybe after like 2 3 hours later. Because right now you see this move and you just wanna get in. So I would say come back in 2 3 hours, or come back in the London session when there is a lot of volume coming in. uh, Wait for some retracement. Maybe in London session we can see a continuation towards the upside as well, because price, it looks like it didn't reject that, and it still continue pushing it up and up and up. Yeah, so take it easy. It's fine, it's fine, you're not missing anything, man. It's fine. Market is here, gold is here, price action is here, and volume hopefully will be here. So if you miss this, come back next session, you're gonna make it. Now think like that. If you wanna take this trade and lose money, now tomorrow when you come, you need to make this lose whatever you lose trade, right? And then you need to make extra on that. Or if you come back with a fresh mindset, in the London session or New York session, and there you make profits. That's your profits from the beginning, you know? Yeah. All right, man. No worries. Take it easy. Take it easy. Here, my kids made me some. Have a good night, kitty. Good night. Good night. It sounds like Kitty missed the bush. FX 4096 entry, a bad idea. 4096. What? Oh, right here. No, it's a. So yeah, I know what you're saying. So yes, price can push down, Once it starts pushing down, you need to see, okay, if wait, okay, so here, from here, you're like, okay, let you want to take the buy from 4096, right? So around this zone, right? So you need to see price rejecting this and slowly coming down, and then you wait for it to first create some support here. Before that, do not take the entry here, do not buy here, do not buy here. You need to see what price do here. Once you see, okay, the price starts rejecting from this zone and getting ready towards the upside, that's the point where you can look for some buy side, again the continuation towards the upside. If the price starts breaking these lows, right, then we can see another push towards downside. That's why I tell King Milan as well that come back in the next session, because each session, I told this so many times, you guys, like each session comes with one good move, right? And that's why we wait for like one or two good moves and one or good two good trades. That's it, right? So if that happen, if that's done, if you're already in the buys, if your stops at break even, you can let your runner run and enjoy those buys and trail it once it gives a closure above. If not, if you miss it, then come back next session or wait for at least the retracement before, because if you take the buys here, price already push around 300 to 400 ticks from here, right? And it keep continue pushing it up. So if it retrace, before retrace, do not get into the buys, because there are high chances that if you take the buys and the price starts pushing down, you're stuck. Plus, if you take the sells here, you're like, okay, let me take the reversal, let me take some sells. You're gonna put the stops at high and looking for some reversal. That's a different story. Okay. But again, the price is so too much bullish, too bullish to sell, and too high to buy right now. So that's the point. Hanji, Hanji, kya Hanji? So yeah, any questions about the trade, about the strategy, about all that good stuff? Is that Game of Thrones? Yes, it is. Why this you put your TP at 4142 and 4157? Huh? Why this? Because I feel like it. I like that zone, that's why. It was really nice trade, yeah. Now, Maria, you need to think how you can take these good trades, right? How you can start calling out these setups. On the YouTube, guys, can you hear me correct? Uh, can you hear me or no? Yes, I'm listening to you and watching videos. What videos you're watching? Mr. Believe Me Now, short now. Can you come on the call? Come on the call. Turn on your camera. I will short right now. Come on. I'm gonna short on my full funded accounts. Come on right now. Mr. Ali. Mr. Ali. Ali Nix. Come on the call. Turn on your camera. I will short in front of you with my almost how much? Uh, so I have like 20 accounts funded. So that's going to be 550 50,000 multiplied by 20, like 500, almost 1 million, right? I'm gonna short 1 million in front of you, right? And I will show you live. Come on the call, turn on your camera, and tell me why should I take a sell. I will take it right now. No need to say anything, no. Sometimes, yes. Who is he? Nobody knows. You will be next. Okay, Mr. Ali, come on the call now. Let's have some chit chat. Never seen him. Yeah, you're never gonna. If you don't come on the call, I need to block you. So choose one. Either you will get blocked or you wanna hop on the call. You choose what you wanna do. Come on, have some balls, man. Come on the call. Hurry up. Yeah. All the sellers. I still didn't see the proper selling setup here. I know the price already push up around 200-300 ticks, but yeah, it can keep continue pushing it up. So don't look for sells. If you're in the buys, let your uh, runner run. Mr. Alinex, are you still here or no? Or you just run away? You see, this is the problem with this thank me later, told you so. Man, give me your address. So when I take a short and I make some money, how can I thank you? Give me your address. And if I blow my account, then give me your address as well. So I can pay you a visit with Just Stream, with Break In, and with Kitty. It's a bad luck. Yeah. We have given him sleepers in his hand to run. Yes, Maria. So yeah, guys, never ever listen all these people on the internet, right? Especially in the chat. We're paying visit now. I'm trying break in, but he's just a pussy. Like he's not gonna come on the call. He's just gonna message and just run away. That's it. He's not man enough, you know. All right, the price again close above. Keep continue pushing it up. I would say, guys, call it a night, call it a day. No need to get in another trade. Don't try to take the buys here, sells here. Wait for the next session, the clear price action, and then we'll take it. I'm hungry. I'm with you. We will do the breakfast together. Yeah. Mr. Short is male or female? Mr. Short, don't know. I don't think he's male or female. He's a lady boy. He's like in decision, like he's still struggling to know what he is. Yeah, guys, should we call it a night then? The prices starts ranging here, okay? And I don't think we can see any volume right now. Call it a night. Yes, Imran. Yep. I'm stuck in a trade, but I'm positive. Which trade you're stuck in? You still holding those buys? Thanks to day trading, bought a bike. Break in. Break in. Why you not coming in the New York sessions? You want me to spank your butt? No comments. Yeah, gin tonic. If you're in the buys, right, and if you have the good buys entry, that's different. That I would say, okay, you're stuck in a good trade. But if you're taking randomly buys and randomly sells, then you have some issue. We need to fix it. So another, I would say, winning streak keep continue going on, right? We've been on the winning streak for a while now. So yeah, tomorrow in New York session, let's see. Let's see. But what's waiting for us? Yes, Alhamdulillah. No random crazy. But again, guys, let me write it for you so it will stick in your mind. Okay, so this is for you. Right now, price is too high to buy and too bullish to sell. You know what it means? Too high to buy, that the price is already reached too high, which is around, I would say, 500 ticks, 400 ticks, right? This push, all this push, right? And too bullish to sell, which means the momentum in the market is what? It's bullish side, right? So it's too bullish that if you take sells, it mean like the trend is, the structure is bullish. The momentum in the market is bullish. If you try to take sell, that's going to be difficult for you. So too high to buy and too bullish to sell right now. Okay. On here or premium only for what? Gin tonic. Here what? The live session. We're gonna trade in the New York in the Discord, with the premiums on, because they're the one who wants to learn, who wants to take the step, who wants to participate in this thing and put more focus. So why not? You know. Okay. Any questions, guys? Easy strategy, no indicators, no fancy terms, uh, no complicated things using on the charts. Just simple price action and wait for your setups. That's it. So any last minute questions you can ask. Don't forget to send me the heart me. Okay. If you are new here, Please hit the follow. We have the free Discord in the bio as well. Have a great night. Just enjoy. Take care, man. Take care. See you in the morning. Yes. Take care, guys. Take care. I'm gonna see you in the morning. Okay. Tim, take care, man.